viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video basis only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewers, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen.
So viewers, today we are going to also discuss about Coinbase Wallet, and in this video we are going to connect over Coinbase Wallet with dYdX exchange. Yes, dYdX exchange is decentralized exchange. If you do not want to use Binance and you have a balance in your Coinbase wallet, so you can directly connect your wallet that exchange and you can easily trade or you can easily withdraw your amount. So this is so simple and easy. In this video I'm giving you complete information, but before going to start this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Cypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. In last video we have discussed about Coinbase Wallet, so I'm going to open my YouTube channel and you can see here. In last video we have discussed how we can disconnect D app from Coinbase Wallet. You can see here, and this video is very informative for you. If you connect your wallet with PancakeSwap, SushiSwap, or LidoSwap, or any other swap DAO application, so you can watch this video if you need to disconnect your all D app application from your wallet. Okay, because this is necessary for you if you want to save your account from third party. So you can see here in the right top corner, Coinbase wallet is shown in front of me. Today we are going to connect our dYdX exchange with this wallet. So you can see here our wallet is open in front of me, and I have not any balance, but I want to connect this wallet with dYdX exchange. And if you need to trade, so you can directly connect your wallet and you can trade. Okay, so before going to start this video, please again subscribe my channel and like my video, share with your family friend, and also share this video in Facebook pages and crypto groups. Okay, so you can see here coinjacko.com is open in front of me. I already told about it. This website is related cryptocurrency wallets. All information we get from this platform, and you can see here Bitcoin price is $26,000 plus and Ethereum price is $1591. So if I'm going to check the top 100 cryptocurrency lists, it's maybe dYdX listed or ranking in top 100. So I'm going to search, it's maybe available top 100. Yes, you can see here on 99 number dYdX is available here, and price is $1.92 and 0.3% in 1 hours up, and total volume is shown here, and also market cap is available here. So I'm going to click on it. Now the get more information about dYdX from this page, and if we are going to check the all-time high of this token, you can see here all-time high is almost $26, $27 almost, but today price is only $1.92. It's maybe when bull run will be start of Bitcoin, then this price will be appreciated after bull run. It's maybe take $25, $30. I'm not giving to any financial advice, I'm just giving to information. So I think from this price maybe 10x or 20x available. Yes, you can see here 93% down. All-time high is $27.86 and all-time low is $1 almost 1 years ago. And you can also read here dYdX token can be traded on this centralized crypto exchange, the most popular exchange to buy and trade dYdX in BingX. And also you can read about dYdX exchange from this main page. So we are going to connect our Coinbase Wallet with this exchange. You can see here dYdX.exchange. This is the official website. You must open the official website from this CoinJacko. I recommend it. Simple click on it, and now the website is going to open in front of me. This is the exchange, and you can must read the all information about this website. Anonymous has referred you to start trading on the world most powerful open exchange, liquidate world class liquidity on the most popular pairs, advanced trade with the large leverage and manage risk using advanced tool. Earn and dYdX reward for each trade you make on the platform. You can see here you can also get the reward. Simple click on get started, and after that many wallets available here which is you can use with this website. The first MetaMask, second Trust Wallet, third Coinbase, IM tokens, Token Pocket. But we just discuss about on Coinbase Wallet, so that I just simple click on this option. When you click on this option, the pop-ups will be open in front of you. You can see here Coinbase pop-ups open in front of me. Connect to website. Let us see your wallet balance and activity. Let it send your request for transactions. Fund will not leave your wallet until you execute a transaction. Okay, so simple, going to click on connect option, and after that your wallet will be connected. Yes, you can see here connected. Before going to connect it, you must read the terms and conditions. You must read the all terms and condition. I'm not going to read all terms and condition because it's maybe take the long time. And you can see here our wallet is connected with this. If I'm going to click on it, so you can see here also shown here open Ethereum scanned, also copy address. It's your also available address. After use this website, you must click on disconnect button, otherwise your wallet is not secure. I recommend it. So you can see here viewers, all information is available here like trade, complete onboarding. Simple click on it, remember me, verify ownership and enable trading. To send request, now click on sign in. I have not any balance but trying to connect this wallet. I think I enter my password wrongly. Now as you can see here, I verify my ownership of this wallet. Now enabling trading, enable secure access to our API. Simple click on sign in. If I balance, and then the wallet will be connected, and also you can check our balance here. You can see here deposits assets. You can also deposit USDT, Tether, DAI, wrapped Ethereum and Ether, and you just enter amount and enter the amount, and then you can easily deposit. Okay, when your deposit will be okay, so your balance will be shown here on this portion, and you can see here deposit with fiat, and other options are here. Let's suppose you want to trade. Simple click on trade option. Your wallet is connected successfully, and you can also choose the pair from this option. Bitcoin, Ethereum, many pairs available here. This information is very informative for you, because you can secure your fund from from centralized exchanges like Binance, Qcoin, UB. If you need to save your fund and you want to also trade, so you can use this website dYdX. Okay, you can also choose the pair, and you can see here the liquidity is available here. If you have balance, you can trade from directly your wallet of Coinbase. Okay, so viewers, I hope you properly understand how can you connect your Coinbase wallet with dYdX. So if you get any information from this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Cypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And you can also comments below this video. I must read your comments, and I hope I will resolve your problem. So we'll meet with you in new video. Bye bye.